Standing pumping front. The teacher always has one foot on the pedal throughout this exercise. Face the chair with feet together and then place one ball of the foot on the pedal and press it down. The heel stays lifted, the body leans forward to bring the pedal down, and then bring your hips back over the back ankle. So hip is directly over ankle. Pump in a controlled motion, resisting the pedal, and you can add a lower lift of the heel to help condition the ankle and challenge the alignment of the knee directly over the center of the foot. Note that as you press down, your body will want to compress, so pull in your low abs and lift through your lower back to keep from compressing. Switching feet, holding the ankle lifted, your body leans forward to press the pedal down, and then again, hips come back over the bottom ankle. Pumping in a slow controlled motion with the heel lifted throughout. Make sure that you're not compressing and pull up through your standing leg's hip towards the ceiling to help square off your hips. Keep pulling in the lower abs as you lower and lift the heel on the bottom foot if you choose to add the variation. And again, tracking the knee directly over the center line of the foot throughout the exercise. Remember, the teacher always has one foot on the pedal for safety.